and welcome to another Sketchbook Club. This week we'll be creating a beautiful vintage tattoo painting. Although I've never been brave enough to actually get a tattoo, I have long admired the wonderful, if sometimes slightly cheeky, designs. So for this module you will need a pair of scissors, an HB pencil, a rubber and a pencil sharpener, and a set of watercolour paints. You'll also need your size 1 and size 6 paintbrushes and a good set of coloured pencils. And optionally, some white gouache paint for highlights. First thing to do is to print out your 2 transfer sheets, your colour reference sheet and your instructions. The transfer sheets are the paler back to front ones. Start by cutting out the tattoo designs that have really caught your eye and arrange them, forming a nice evenly spaced composition. Then, as per the instructions, transfer the images to your page one by one until you're happy that they're all in the right place. Don't worry if you need to reposition them, just rub out your transfer and start again. You can retransfer them up to 3 times. Next, go over them, if a little pale, with coloured pencil outlines. Now it's time to add watercolour. Remember, you're just adding a base colour here, so don't worry too much about detail. Just make sure there is no white left and that all the tattoos have a nice colour base. Use a mix of size 1 and size 6 brushes, depending on the area you're painting. Once all the painted colour is complete, you can get to work on all the shading, lettering and details using your coloured pencils. Be sure to keep them nice and sharp throughout. Keep referring to the colour reference sheet as you go, but do, if you like, feel free to add your own colours, lettering and details too. Finally, add any white highlights using a size 1 brush and some white gouache paint. I absolutely love this one. It's so nostalgic and so fun to do. I loved how different everyone's was in my studio sketchbook club. This will make a wonderful addition to your sketchbooks, but it also looks great framed or even individually as gift cards. However you choose to use this module, I really hope you share your creations. Please use the hashtag SketchbookClubTattoos so we can all see them and I can share my favourites on Instagram. I can't wait to see them. Have fun, and I'll see you at the next Sketchbook Club.